Whoop-de-doo. Whoop-de-doo. EcoFlow Wave 2. What is that?
It's the exhaust fan.
Ooh, this is... Yeah, see, AC.
Yeah.
This is sexy little bitch. Whoa, that's cold.
It's just fan air right now.
I don't know, it feels kind of cold.
No, there's no way the compressor turned on that quick.
No, yeah, you're right. This one has to
Turn this. Yeah, so it's up and down. That's 6. Ooh, that's nice. It does heat too. That's an exhaust.
Yeah.
This is an intake over here.
Yep.
So this is where we gotta vent the.
Oh, I think it's.
This is definitely cold.
It's getting cold, dude.
That gets cold quick.
Quick.
That is ice cold.
Holy shit.
That's air conditioner cold. So what do these buttons do? So this.
No, I didn't. Now we're on heat.
Yeah. Okay. So that's this changes
fan.
from heat to cold.
Fan.
And then what does this do?
I don't know. Something's changing over there.
Home, and then if you hold this.
Oh, maybe like eco?
Yeah, probably, right? Because like it does the waves. I don't know. Yeah, press it again. One more time. Yes, no, not so. Yeah, see now we're on eco. It doesn't feel cold anymore. So you change this. Oh no, you just changed it to heat.
I changed the heat. I want to feel the heat. I want to see how quickly it can get hot. Nothing yet.
Yeah, it's definitely got to heat up some coils.
Yeah. This thing's fancy.
It looks very nice.
I thought this would change to red. Maybe we'll do that when it's ready.
Yeah. Should probably read the directions.